Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Lumary Smart ceiling fan light. It's going to be fun, so let's get into it. One of the things we're going to need to build this is a Phillips head screwdriver. So get yourself one of those, and what we're going to do is we're going to assemble the top first, and then I'll put the fan blades on for you. Okay, first thing that's not stated in the instructions is you will need a pair of scissors or a nice pair of clippers like these. They're very sharp, and they can get this really small zip tie, and just as we take a look at this, we're gonna have to remove this. This is how we're gonna mount on the pole. And now we're gonna redevelop this pole to have this on top of it. To do that, we're gonna remove this set screw, and then inside you'll see that there's a metal rod that goes across. That'll just push through once we remove this set screw. So let me loosen that up. So you loosen that up, and then make a liar out of me. And then this thing moves out of the way. Oh wait, it looks like the ground is all the way through also. So we will have to remove the ground too. There we go. Then you pull that out, take that off, and we're gonna line that up with the one next to it and then reinstall. The first thing we're gonna do is slide that down onto there, and then insert this. You'll pull that up, but you gotta make sure that the ground wire hole lines up. And so then that'll be secure, and we'll tighten this one. We're gonna tighten that one very tight. The next step is going to be to get these wires through here, which is probably a pain. But before we do that, we have to add these three pieces on. They're gonna be the covers that cover this up. First, we're gonna put this large one on and let it hang like that. Then from the bottom, we're gonna put those two covers on. I slid this one on, and now this one has to face down because it's gonna cover this stuff right here. So this is what we got. Those three things on here. Now I'm gonna feed that wire through the hole so that it comes out up top. The wires feed up very easily from the bottom here. You just push them in. We'll pull this down, and that will bring us to the point where we insert this through the hole. I pushed the dowel through right there, and now I have to put the cotter pin on this end. You're gonna get it in there just like that and give it a push. And now that is solid. But there's some screws here that we can tighten right here. So you're gonna tighten this one up, and it's gonna be a secondary secured. There are two of those, one on each side here. Then we're gonna pull this down over top, and that is ready. We're gonna do the blades now. It looks like each blade screw gets its own washer. You're gonna wanna unwrap these. These are gonna go through the holes here, and then you're gonna line them up. You have to choose whether you want a white fan or this nice faux wood grain. What I did here was I finger tighted them on the first one here, and now I can just go all the way. And when I'm done, I'm gonna go once around again, and we'll check them all. But you don't wanna watch that right now, so if you think this is gonna happen quickly, it does take a little bit of work here. We got a bunch of screws to tighten. Okay, I was right, there's 3 leftover screws and 3 leftover washers. The screws for here are in the holes, and we're gonna just put this over here and then put those screws back in. Once you've tightened these 3 screws, you have this wire sticking out. And so you're gonna see that this wire and this wire both have 3 little prongs. And so the small little one and the other little one go there. And the other one's gonna go into here. So you're gonna have to give this a little tug from the top to get it long enough to fit into that hole right there. If you look at the little plug, it has a slot, and the slot goes up, and that fits in there. Once you get that one in, you can do this one. It's much easier. It also has only one way that it can fit. For me, I routed these so that they go where there's no lights, because I think that would annoy me if I saw a dark spot. And then if you look at the way that this thing goes, it slides on only one way, and then you twist it like so. And there we go. It's all done. All we got to do is hang it on the ceiling. Let me flip it over on the table, and I'll show you that next. In case you can't wait till the next video, here's it hanging on the ceiling. Let me show you how it works. That's the middle light. We can turn the middle light off. We can turn the ring light on. We can change the ring light's colors. It's pretty cool. Kind of like a little UFO. You can have the light on too at the same time. You can turn the fan on.